We just unboxed the 757. Go check out that video. It's sitting right there. And as you know, next, we have this absolute monster of an airplane, which I need to move the camera back for. Like I said in the last video, this is the 625 variant, 2018. I'm pretty sure, and you can correct me if I'm wrong, but this is the last 777 that they released for the Delta. It's a 200 LR. And pretty sure it has the GE 90s for engines. 777s are just my favorite to unbox. I have a 777-300 at home. Oh, what a massive airplane. I thought the 757 was going to be bigger. You can pause and read that if you want, but let's go ahead and unbox it. Absolutely massive. Oh my god. The 300, this, you see this tail section goes all the way back to here. Listen, Boeing's having some trouble right now, but you can't help but appreciate this airplane. Their 777s are fantastic. The 757s are absolutely fantastic. And I am more than proud to add both of these to my collection. Oh, what a masterpiece. What an absolute gem. Big stand because it's a big airplane. Let's look at that 777 gear. 3 wheels. And separate bag for the in-flight. That's cool. Oh, what a rare beast. What a rare beast. Let's show you how she's in here. Look at that absolutely massive tail sticking up. Definitely bigger than a 330 Neo. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at this beautiful thing. What an absolute gem. Oh my god. What an honor. What an absolute honor. Of course I can't do it now. The engine's spin. This thing is so heavy. Yeah, those are GE 90s. Bigger, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. These are not the Rolls-Royce Trent 800s. Those are GE 90s. The entire engine, not just the fan, but like if you take the entire engine, it's bigger than the entire 737 fuselage. Let's move this out of the way so you can get a good look at it. What a gem. I'm not even sure video does it justice. Like these 777s, and I looked at one at the store today, the Gemini store. I know an American one, and like there's just nothing like them. Especially unboxing one, and I know that's weird to say, but like, oh my god. Yes, I will wipe them down. What a massive, beautiful bird. Way up there. Where's the stand go? Oh, look at that. Look at that. All right, let's look at the gear. Oh, it's so much bigger than the 757. I'll have to show you. Triple wheels. This is the 200, so it doesn't have the special piston that the 300s have. It does tilt. As you can see, it's in its tilted position. Good detail on this too. Oh, it's the wheels. Look at that. They're even. They got the little rubber like the real ones. The tread pattern, that's what I'll say. Oh, steerable. Oh, and this one, I don't know if you can see that, but this one has the gems for the lights. Fantastic. Okay. Let's take this beautiful model. Oh, so easy. Boop. Nose gear. Boom. In. See, they tilt. That is just fantastic. Again, not in there very well, as in like secure, but it's in there. Put them in the landing configuration. 777s tilt that way. The camera can't even get focus on this beautiful model. Set it down. Roll. There's my hand. Does it roll? Ooh. Barely. Again, the wheels do roll, but these models aren't really meant to roll. So I'm going to bring you down and we'll show you around the model. This thing's got to be like 4 pounds. It's so massive. Oh, it's kind of hard to show you in video, but that is the collection so far. And also I have a Delta 767. So that'll fit somewhere in here as well. But yeah, pretty cool. There you go, unboxing of the 757 with the weird nose. Yes, it is weird. It's smaller than I thought it would be too. And the 777. Who doesn't love a 777? Pretty similar in size to the 330 Neo. It's a little bit bigger. The fuselage is a little bit more round. The 300 ERs are longer, but the 200 ER, the 200, if I can get them nose to nose, that's pretty close. You can see they're pretty darn similar. So here's the Delta Condigo line. Go down each model for you. And one more view. There you go. Hope you enjoyed. See you in the next one. A321 Delta Neo. Neo. Stay tuned.